Welcome to our channel once again. Today we talk about what is needed to make sure that your solar panel is clean. In solar services, there are things we do to keep these panels clean. What are the tools required in keeping this panel clean? There's what we call solar panel cleaner. Then we have the telescope, and equally we have materials needed to make sure that these solar panels are clean. How do I mean? There are things you need to put in place to ensure that your solar panel is clean, as we know that the effectiveness of the solar panel is dependent on the amount of sun that it is able to trap in order to generate enough energy. So for us to do this, you have to bring what we call the ionized water, spray it on the panel. That is after you might have dusted the panel with either your rag, your broom, or your brush. So these are the things you do. You use the ionized water on the solar panel because that will help you to dissolve every dirt that is on the panel. So all the panels need to be spread with the ionized water, and that will help you to wash the panel effectively. In the same way, when there is a rainfall, the rainfall also helps in cleaning the solar panel, but perhaps there is a delay in falling of rain. So what you need to do is you use the ionized water on the solar panel. Then in Africa, we have our local ways of doing this. How do we do it in Africa? In Africa, after applying the water, you use your broom if there's no availability of mop or brush. You use your broom to ensure that it is effectively washed. As you can see the solar panel, after washing it, the panel become very bright as if it is a newly purchased solar panel. But this solar panel actually need the ionized water. Then after doing the washing with the water, you use your dry rag or mop to ensure that it is completely clean and ensure that it is dried off of water to enable you maintain the constant sun falling on it. And in the same way, when you use dry rag, it will help you to ensure that the dust does not fall in and remain permanent with it, because when the dust comes again or any dirt comes again and there's water on it, there is tendency of it magneting to the panel. So you need to, after washing the solar panel, you need to use your dry rag and ensure that it is completely dry. This is how it is.